Hello viewers, welcome to the Gemini Garden. In this video, we are going to see what is composting, different types, how to make it at home. Before starting this video, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel so you can get more gardening ideas. Okay, let's get started. This video comprises into 3 parts, which are what is composting, different ways to make compost at home, and step-by-step complete process of composting. Let's see one by one. What is composting? Composting is a natural process that transforms organic waste materials into a nutrient-rich soil amendments, called compost. Let's see different methods of composting we can try at home. Backyard composting. This is the most common method, where you create a compost pile in your backyard. Start by collecting kitchen scraps, like fruit and vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells. Layer them with yard waste like leaves, grass clippings, and small twigs. Turn the pile occasionally to aerate it, and in a few months, you'll have rich compost to use in your garden. Vermicomposting involves using worms to break down organic waste. Get a worm bin or create your own, adding bedding like shredded newspaper or leaves. Add kitchen scraps, avoiding meat or dairy products, and introduce composting worms like red wigglers. Ensure the bin has proper moisture and ventilation. The worms will consume the waste, and their castings can be used as a nutrient-rich fertilizer. Trench composting method is suitable for smaller spaces. Dig a trench in your garden, around 8 to 12 inches deep. Bury your kitchen scraps directly into the trench, and cover them with soil. Rotate the location of the trench every time you dig a new one. Over time, the organic waste will decompose, enriching the soil. A compost tumbler is a sealed container that makes composting more convenient and faster. Add your organic waste, such as kitchen scraps and yard waste, and turn it regularly to provide aeration. The turning helps to speed up the decomposition process. In a few weeks or months, depending on the conditions, you'll have compost ready to use. Let's see step-by-step process to make compost at home easily. Step 1. Choose a place. Find a suitable spot in your backyard or balcony where you can place your composting system. Ensure good drainage and easy access for adding materials. Step 2. Choose a composting method. There are various methods of composting. Choose any one of the method I explained before, which suits to your space, needs, and lifestyle. Step 3. Collect organic waste. Gather kitchen scraps like fruit and vegetable peels, coffee grounds, tea bags, and eggshells. Also, collect yard waste such as grass clippings, leaves, and small branches. Avoid using meat, dairy, or oily food scraps as they can attract pests. Step 4. Layer your compost. Start by adding a layer of yard waste as the browns at the bottom of your compost bin. Then, add a layer of kitchen scraps as the greens. Continue to alternate between browns and greens as you add more waste. Step 5. Maintain moisture and aeration. Keep your compost moist. If it becomes too dry, add water. Turn or mix the compost regularly to introduce oxygen and aid decomposition. Step 6. Be mindful of what you add. Avoid adding materials like diseased plants, meat, dairy, oils, fats, pet waste, or weed seeds, as they can disrupt the composting process or attract pests. Step 7. Monitor and adjust. Regularly check your compost for moisture content, and adjust as needed. If it smells unpleasant, or attracts pests, you may need to add more browns, or adjust the composting conditions. Step 8. Allow time for decomposition. Composting can take several months to over a year, depending on the materials used and the method. Be patient and let nature do its work. Step 9. Use your compost. Once your compost has turned dark, and crumbly with an earthy smell, it's ready to use. Use it to enrich the soil in your garden, potted plants, or as a top dressing for your lawn. Watch this video to know, what shouldn't you add in your composting? Subscribe to the channel to be in touch. Thank you. Bye.